welcome to Presentations by Crystal. So today we are making a back to school shirt for my daughter, and it's going to say straight into first grade. And this is how I'm making it with my Cricut, and I don't have my design up yet, so I'm in my Cricut space here and putting my design from my computer into the Cricut program. And when you're doing the design, you have to make sure you click complex because there's a whole bunch of things in the design that needs to be correct, so you make sure you click complex and then you click continue. And then this is not a print then cut image, so I'm clicking the cut image and then I press continue. And then here I am going to click on the design and then press continue again, and then it would upload to the Cricut design space so that I can get started on my design. So I am doing this on my daughter's dress. So I'm gonna want to measure the height from the top to the middle of the dress, to the height from the top here to the middle of where I want to put it. So that way the name will be big enough to fit on it. So it says here it's 15 centimeters here, so I want to make it below 15 centimeters. So maybe like 3 on each, take away 3 on each side, 3 centimeters on each side, so that it will fit. So I want to make this 9. The width, I'm going to make the width 5. And the height 9. Okay. So I'm going to change that. So I decided to do 5 and 5 to make sure it really fits. Okay, so this is how it's going to look, and let's get started printing it out. My mat is really dirty, so don't judge me. Okay, when you're using the Cricut, you want to put the shiny side down, face down. Shiny side face down. And you want to smooth it all the way down. Then you want to take this that comes with the Cricut and smooth it more so there's no bumps and there is no crinkles in it, so your design comes out nice. Okay. So when you're putting on the Cricut on the computer, you want to make sure you click on Everyday Iron On. And it says default, but I always put it on more. And you want to make sure that your mirror is on so that your words come out correctly and turn the right way. So then you load, then you're going to load the mat into the Cricut. So after the mat is loaded, then you want to go ahead and click the Fashion C button, and then it will start. now it is done, and then we press this little flashing arrow here to remove the mat. And now it is time to take it off so that I can weed it. And you weed it with these two things here. I don't know what they're called, but this one here and this one. It's pretty good to weed it out. this is how it came out. It says straight into first grade. This is how it came out. It came out really pretty. And it was the right size and right measure and everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below for more designs and crafts like this. Thank you. Bye.